Ever notice how your energy tanks faster these days? You train hard, you eat right, you sleep well, but recovery just isn't what it used to be. What if your body's energy system is just running low on one key ingredient? Today, we're uncovering D-Ribose, the supplement that helps your muscles refuel at the cellular level. Welcome to the Nutrient Link, where we decode the science behind supplements so you can look, feel, and perform at your best. What exactly is D-Ribose? D-Ribose is a natural sugar that helps your body make ADP, your muscle's main source of energy. When ADP drops during intense exercise, fatigue and soreness kick in, and D-Ribose helps refill those energy stores faster. How does it help muscles recover? Instead of directly building muscle, D-Ribose works behind the scenes to restore your energy molecules, helping you recover quicker between workouts or sets. Why do we lose this efficiency as we age? As we age, our cells become less efficient at regenerating ADP. That's why men over 35 often feel slower recovery or longer fatigue after training. D-Ribose simply gives your cells what they need to catch up. Can it boost workout performance too? Yes, though not instantly. It's not a stimulant, no buzz or crash, but it supports endurance and helps you push through fatigue longer. Does D-Ribose also help with brain and heart energy? Absolutely. ADP powers all cells, not just muscles. Some studies show D-Ribose supports heart health and mental clarity by improving cellular energy in those tissues too. How much should I take daily? The standard dose is 5 grams once or twice per day, ideally before and after training. You can mix it with water or your post-workout shake. It's naturally sweet and dissolves easily. When will I feel the effects? Most users notice better recovery and less fatigue within a week or two, especially if they train multiple times per week. It's subtle at first. Then one day you realize you're not dragging after leg day anymore. Can D-Ribose be stacked with other supplements? Yes, and it stacks beautifully. Combine it with creatine for power and strength, beta-alanine for endurance, BCAAs for muscle repair. They all work on different parts of your performance system. Is D-Ribose safe for long-term use? Yes, studies show it's well tolerated even at high doses. The main caution? It may lower blood sugar slightly. So if you're diabetic or hypoglycemic, check with your doctor before use. Any side effects? Some users experience mild stomach upset or lightheadedness if taken on an empty stomach. To avoid that, take it with a small snack or shake. Can I get D-Ribose naturally from food? Not in any meaningful amount. Your body makes small amounts, but when training stress or fatigue is high, it just can't keep up. How is D-Ribose different from regular sugar? Great question, and an important one. Unlike table sugar, D-Ribose doesn't raise blood sugar or get stored as fat. It's used immediately by your cells to rebuild energy, not burned for calories. Who benefits the most from it? It's ideal for men over 35 who train intensely, have slower recovery, or experience midweek fatigue. It's also great for endurance athletes or anyone managing chronic tiredness from overtraining or stress. So, is it worth adding to your stack? If your workouts feel solid but your recovery doesn't match your effort, then yes, D-Ribose is worth trying. It helps restore energy, improve performance consistency, and bring back that youthful edge. Medical disclaimer: the information in this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement. So the next time you hit that wall in the gym, remember, your body isn't running out of motivation. It's running out of energy. And that's exactly what D-Ribose helps you rebuild. This is the Nutrient Link. Subscribe for more science-backed supplement breakdowns designed for men over 35. And let's keep your performance charged. Stay consistent, stay fueled, and let your energy, not age, define your performance.